My name is Koshin Paley Ellison. I'm the co-founder and co-guiding teacher of the New York Zen Center for Contemplative Care. So contemplative care is providing the extra layer of support, emotional and spiritual support for anyone who's facing life's vulnerabilities and challenges. The message is not what they accomplished, it's not how busy they were and how glad they were that they were so busy. The messages are, how did I love? How did I spend my time? And how was I in that time? For me, the way that we can practice being fully alive and wholehearted is by learning how to love well, to learn how to feel the discomfort that you're feeling, or you're nervous, or you're anxious, or uncomfortable, and learn how to extend out and to think of, well, what else am I feeling? My experience is that I needed to really allow myself to do it for a while with other folks before I actually understood whether it was for me or not. And I think it's very easy in some ways to try something once and then get scared. And what we're trying to learn in meditation practice is learn how to drop down so that when you feel fear arise or aversion, like this isn't for me, and just be curious about it. There are many resources available, including I have a book called Wholehearted, Slow Down, Help Out, and Wake Up. And another book I would recommend is Zen Mind, Beginner's Mind by Shunryu Suzuki. And the last book is Appreciate Your Life by Taizan Maizumi Roshi. And these are three books that can support and encourage you to connect and drop in and widen out. If you'd like to learn more about the Zen Center, our Zen meditation training, our education, or our care programs, please go to zencare.org. And please subscribe to the Lifehacker YouTube channel. Thank you.